If your ceiling mount's stuck in the top position, first try the reset procedure, unplug the power for a few minutes and then plug back in. Okay, so you want to press and hold the 1 button for around 5 seconds. You'll see the button stop flashing, keep it held for a second or two, and repeat that another 4 times, total of 5 times. Okay, a total of 6 times. So it should then drop down to the bottom position. Okay, so it's found the bottom position, and now I'm going to press OK to take it back up to the top again. Now I was putting resistance on this because you shouldn't operate it without a TV on, and if you do it can cause damage. There we go, it's found the top position. If the reset procedure hasn't worked and you can't get it to move at all, you need to remove the strap, which is held on by these 3 screws here. This will allow you to get the TV down from the ceiling. Make sure you unplug the power first, and at this stage hold the weight of the TV and mount, as the strap will just drop down. Okay, see how it's around the roller like that, and remember for reassembly. Now at this stage you should be able to plug it back in and press the down button. Or the OK button. You can stop the motor by pulling the mount up to the top and then unplug the power. So you need to pull out enough strap to reattach and go around the roller. So maybe pull out 2 loops. And then you need to feed it back up into the casing, and you'll see where the screw holes are through the casing. You can then reattach the 3 screws. I do need to put it through the roller first. So this part of the casing with the roller moves slightly to allow you to put the screws in. Once you've reattached the strap, you can then plug the power back in, and if you then just press the OK button, it should rise up to the top position and stop. And now the mount